go to the drink shop. The thought.
Go on, all in one.
Oh my god! It's disgusting!
Is that tasty, man?
It was disgusting. Honest to God. You asshole.
No.
Oh, it's disgusting. But it works.
Oh.
Take it away from there, man.
No, I'm not taking that. I'm not taking it with me. Sorry, it's my fault. Hang on.